Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sharpen an image on Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the right side of your screen. Under layers, you're going to find this little plus icon. Go ahead and click on image and then select an image from your PC. For example, I'm going to select this one, double click it, and then as you can see, guys, the image is added. So right now, in order to make this image sharp, all you need to do, guys, is go right here to the left side of your screen. Here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to modify your image. So go ahead and click on Blur, Sharpen, Smudge option. So this option can let you draw over areas in the image to sharpen, blur, or smudge details. So we're going to go and click on it. And then once you click on it, make sure that you click on the layer of the image. And then once you select the layer, right here, you're going to find three modes. So there is the blur, sharpen, and lastly smudge. So if you click on sharpen, right here, if you brush, you're gonna make the image more sharp. So if you click on brush right here, you can either increase or decrease the size of the brush. You can also change the softness, change the step, and once you finish, click anywhere else. And right now, you can make the image sharper. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.